Vice President Dr. Chiwenga traveled to Dodoma, Tanzania on Monday to attend the inauguration of Tanzania's newly re-elected president, Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan. Sabina mashoko buda pangwa ine wanachitima ZANU-PF Power Games. Mnangagwa deployed Chiwenga to disputed Tanzanian ceremony to tarnish his image. Not was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Chendra birumbuda nyuko mchinzi. However, senior ZANU-PF insiders claim the trip was a calculated political ploy by President Emerson Mnangagwa to weaken his deputy standing within the ruling party. The event, a controversial swearing in following a disputed election that ended as 98% of the vote, is drawn sharp criticism from the opposition and international observers. Party officials say Mnangagwa deliberately dispatched Chiwenga to represent Zimbabwe at the ceremony, knowing the optics would link him to a widely condemned process. It's a classic Mnangagwa move, said a highly ranking source. He wanted Chiwenga to be seen endorsing a flawed election, while he stays behind to appear clean. The move comes amid escalating factional tensions in ZANU-PF. The Chiwenga's kept repeatedly resisting efforts to extend Mnangagwa's term beyond 2028. Talk of a constitutional amendment allowing the president to rule until 2030 has intensified divisions in the party. Political observers in Harare describe the Tanzania assignment as a strategic humiliation designed to isolate Chiwenga and paint him as politically tone deaf at a time when Mnangagwa is consolidating power. While Chiwenga maintained a diplomatic front during the trip, his participation at the contentious inauguration is being widely interpreted as part of a highly stakes battle for ZANU-PF's future leadership. Doma shukana mdanyo kwa pango wa inoi. Mbolize mafunguro enyi motu kudipa mziripe chitu ichi. Abina kumezi kushemetu za mafunguro enyi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.